So my name's Susan Wijffils and I work for the CSIRO in Australia. And I'm here to give a plenary largely looking at the ocean observation system and how it's evolved over the last 10 years, and to find out about some of the big challenges in climate research and how we can grow and adapt the observation system to meet some of those challenges. So I'd like to tell them about some of the achievements that we've made in the community that works to observe the ocean better, tell them about some of the vulnerabilities. So there are systems that are funded on short-term funding, research funding, that we've come to rely on very heavily, that have tenuous support. And then talk about some of the new things that we'd like to do, that technology is allowing us to think about doing, that might be very exciting and fit in with some of the challenges that are being framed at this conference. So I think observing the ocean can be quite expensive. Certainly we rely on quite expensive satellite missions to do a lot of the work. But the observing system, where we use instruments that actually go into the ocean or ships, is also very expensive. And so keeping that going on shrinking research budgets is a huge challenge. So I think one of the ways to meet the challenge is to bring in more nations to share the load. There are many nations, I think, that are growing their capability very rapidly that we can welcome to help us do this, and also to use new technologies that will bring down the cost of taking these observations. So I think there's a lot of things we can do better, and in particular bringing in many new nations to join us in this effort.